How to fix Steam Error Code E87 login error working method. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial, if you'd like to fix the Steam Error Code E87, the steps has been mentioned. At first, you have to check the Steam server status by ensuring the servers are operational using the sites like Steam Status or the Down Detector. After that, you have to verify the date and time by ensuring your system's date and the time are correct. You need to adjust the settings in the time and language section of the Windows. After that, you have to log out from all the devices. You have to log out of Steam on all the devices to clear any of the session conflicts. And then you also need to clear the cache by clearing the Steam's download cache and the temporary files. Now you have to run as an administrator by right-clicking on the Steam icon and select Run as an Administrator, and reinstall the Steam if any issue persists. Uninstall and reinstall the Steam client. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.